Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.